So we will try to elevate the top of the bolster, yeah? And we will go to the side. So we will work again a little bit also on the hips, yeah? But we will work in rotation to take the tension and the stress from the spine. So we will sit in on the side of the bolster. So your hips, the side of the hip is touching the bolster, yeah? Okay. The legs could be bending like this or more separate depending on your needs. Find the comfort for your legs there, or together or separated or fully separated, yeah? You are on this hip, on this leg. So you put one hand beside each side of the bolster. Grounding, you lengthen and expand, not tensing it. And then with your belly in, you will rotate to face the bolster. We are not tensing, just the belly in to support the rotation of the lower back. So we start to rotate, and then it's the same idea. We will try to put the whole of the front of your body into the bolster. Could be comfortable, could be not. Yeah? So you rotate, belly, solar plexus, chest, and then here you decide if you put the head facing one side or the other side. Again, check if you don't feel comfortable, if the head doesn't arrive comfortable to the bolster, you can put another block or another pillow to make your head nice and comfy. And relax your shoulders. Relax your chest, yes? So you keep trying to fall into very center of the bolster. Relaxing your neck, relaxing your shoulder blades. Now this position, we try to be as much comfortable as you can, but could be that it's not comfortable. It's a deep twist, a deep work for your spine, but in a protected way, yeah? So as you try to go into the center, face the bolster each time a little bit more, you can imagine that cocoon, and you are doing this great work to release the tension in all the spine that is our support system. You are taking the tension out and you're receiving from the roots, from the planet, the nourishment that you need in every sense, physical and emotional. It's a good work for the lower back and for the reason we are doing as well. And before we leave the position, you ground a little bit your hands on the floor and breathe in, lengthen your spine. Try to spread a little bit more on the bolster, facing the bolster a little bit more, bringing the belly a little bit more in, and try to rotate more without forcing. It's just using the support and try to stretch a little bit more, and maybe rotate the head to the other side. And then come back and relax. Good. Well done. Now to change, instead of move the bolster or anything, just you turn on your bum and we will move the knees to the other side, yeah? Again, you put the legs or together or separate or fully separate. You are on your hip, on your leg. You ground. You expand your spine, shoulders away, chest open. And with your belly, start to rotate. Yeah? So we want to rotate the lower back. and face the bolster. Yeah? We try to face the bolster, we try to put the belly on the bolster, and then the rest of your body. And again, you check there if you need extra lifting to make it more comfortable for your neck. Yeah? And your head could be on one side or on the other side. So give a little bit of position here, time to adapt to the position. Could be not comfortable, okay? But you are supported and you are protected, so that's a more important thing. So you can work slowly into that spread. Yes? So if you like, you can try again a little bit more of twisting and putting the body into the position and relax. Try to soften your shoulders, try to soften your neck, relaxing, open and surrender. Soften, letting go. And then slowly coming back. Before we go again, ground your hips, belly a little bit in. Try to spread one more time, rotate a little bit more, not in a forcing way. Now you are a little bit more stretchy so you can move more and try to spread even further. Expand. And then relax, release. Well done. Very nice. So here, we will check, we will turn again with the bum, and we will go to lying down now with your back. Yeah? So here you can decide the legs are crossing, yeah? Or with your feet together. And to avoid the tension here, yeah, we want to feel really nice and comfy, you can put blocks beneath your thighs. So if it's possible, blocks or pillows, yeah? If it's possible, try to start with the legs open or crossing. If not, at any point you stretch your legs, yeah, or bending your legs. So nice and touchy the bolster, you start to lying down on the bolster. So when you go there, you feel the bolster touching every single part of your back. So your hips are on the floor, your lower back is touching the bolster. There is no space on the air. Yeah, you have to be grounding. So we get that sensation of support and ground. Yeah, so you lengthen. Now again, cut your head a little bit. Yeah, and try to spread the back of the neck to lengthen your spine and your neck. Open your elbows, open your chest, and relax your arms wherever is comfortable. Try to look for a position that is open but comfortable. And then again, start to fall now into the bolsters through your back. Yeah, allowing your body to be supported, to be minded. Again, that beautiful cocoon around you. Imagine that pink light surrounding you completely with loving energy that you are breathing in as well into your body. So you are surrounded, but you are breathing in that light, that love, unconditional loving energy into the very core of, like each cell of your body is receiving that bath of loving energy. And also yourself, yeah. But also, because normally when we work with lights, we imagine that the lights go only to the emotional aspect and we leave the body. And when we work on the physical body, we work more on the on the poses and the movements. So try to incorporate the working of the light for your physical body as well. So we integrate the whole self, body and emotional body, physical body, spirit, soul, heart, mind. Everything is together, is integrated, is one. And allow your body to receive that bath of loving energy from above and the nourishment of the planet from beneath through the roots. Imagine a chunky root on the shape of the bolster. You're receiving nourishment, you're receiving stillness, you're receiving strength, resilience, cleansing, healing. And you don't have to direct the energy knows where she has to go. You just offer yourself with trust and confidence that everything that you need is coming your way. Beautiful. And then slowly, really slowly, if you have the legs crossing or opening, you can start to close it gentle, really gentle, extending your legs forward. And then expanding your body, we can take a soft, gentle stretch.